I think it's gonna look pretty good. Maybe not. I don't know. Do you know where it actually hit? Like, where does it hit? Does it hit the...
I think it was hitting over here.
Oh. Oh, yeah, it hits air. That's metal. That'll rip the tire. It'll rip the tire on that. Hit the big one. Go back this way. Okay. Go that way now. Oh. All right, so what my plan is to just come in here, close as I can to the bolt, come up straight around, nice clean cut, and cut basically everything that's shiny here. You can see the dirt line right there. Anything that's shiny is gonna come off, and that should give us just enough to miss, because I would like to, this bracket is like main bumper support. All right, don't mind my rough cut.
Okay, good.
You filming?
Good.
Don't mind my rough cut. We gotta clean it up, but check it out. There's gotta be some black paint over there. All right, finished product, flapper wheel, cleaned her up. We're gonna shoot it with some paint, and we should have coverage, or we should have clearance. I'm gonna let this ride. I just, you know, push this in with by hand. I'm gonna leave that tucked in there. There's got to be some black. It's roughly what I was going for.
It's definitely rough.
It's rough. Same thing on the driver's side. That's all we needed, just a tiny bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do back there yet. Looks like that's already trimmed.
I was gonna say, is that?
We didn't do that.
Yeah, it did.
Guys, I dropped the camera and it might have broke it. But anyways, check this out. So real quick, S&B intakes, we've been running these things on all of our trucks for like a very long time. Pretty much since the beginning, we've been running S&B. And I'm not like paid or get free intakes from them whatsoever. They're just really good intakes. They've never let us down. The trucks seem to run very, very well on them. There's a bunch of different intakes on the market, and we run S&B. So what we're getting at is we have an S&B intake over there that we're gonna give to you guys for free. All you have to do is comment what your truck is below in the comments. So if you got a 2017 F250, say 2017 F250. That's all you got to say. We'll message you. Keep an eye out in the comments. We'll message you back in the comments, and then we'll get in contact with you, obviously, if we pick you, and we will send you a free S&B intake, no strings attached. All you got to do is comment what your truck is. We'll pick one of you guys and send it. So, for example, real quick on here, this is an 11 to 16 intake S&B. This is a closed style with a cleanable filter. You can see what it looks like there, full enclosed box. There's an intake tube down there that comes in from the front. Air, whatever goes into the box, you got fresh, clean air from the outside. And then if you guys are, you want more of like a custom style look, there is an open style on the Platinum over here, which looks super custom. This filter is like very, very big. Like, this is a huge monster filter, and it fits really, really good with the intercooler piping and everything that is on this truck. So here you go, open style, also cleanable. You can go white, which is the dry filter, or you can do the red, which is the oiled. So there you go, open style. And also 17 to 19 intakes have the battery relocation. So originally factory on this truck, the battery sits where the intake filter is, and then the factory style intake comes off and it loops up and around, and the air box sits where the battery is. So I don't know why they actually did that for 17 to 19 trucks. I'm sure they had the reasons, but S&B reroutes the battery to the rear position and puts the intake in the front position, so you have direct airflow straight to the filter.
Against the tire.
He lost his hat the other day, and it was under the truck. But anyways, yeah, I like the open style because it looks a little more custom. Now, if you want to get super technical, the closed style probably, you know, gets a little colder, fresher air from outside in because you're not sucking really any air out of the engine bay. But is it that much of a difference? That's like the argument that's been going on for the time of intakes. The whole time intakes have been a thing. Closed or open style. We painted that. You think it looks good? Yeah. So check this out. We got the map gas, and there's a lot of moisture in here. If you feel it, it's like cold and damp. So, seen this on an old YouTube video. You don't want to get it too hot, melt anything. Look at the moisture. Dry it out. Just enough to get the water out of it. Get it all nice and dry. Look at that. So we're gonna get her all dried out, and then we're gonna paint it. Yeah, we're gonna paint it. So once we get it dry, it's fine. Once we get it dry, that'll increase our chances by probably like, I don't know, this will increase our chances about 20% for the paint to stick. Think.
Better than what we planned on doing.
So we went from a 20% success rate to a 40%. So we got about a 40% chance of this working. Check out all these little spikes. Like that ain't paint peeling. That's a hard spike. I would have went through and deburred the thing. But check it out. Obviously, I didn't do the pan. I figured, you know, how long is it gonna be before you guys are like, dude, you didn't paint the pan. Well, currently waiting on something cool for that, which I'll show you later. So no need to waste all my time doing that. To get straight into it, we're doing Chevy Orange, dude. Now, why the heck would you do Chevy Orange? Because your Chevy Duramax wishes it had a transmission this strong. Allison, never heard of her. I honestly kind of like it in the primer gray. It's like battleship gray almost. Looks kind of cool. But here we go, we're gonna ruin it now. Oh, wow. All you have to do is, if you have a 6.7 PowerStroke, comment your year, make, model. Obviously, it's going to be Ford, year and model in the comments below, and we're going to pick one of you guys, and we're going to send you an S&B intake for free. Don't forget to do that and stay on top of the comments, because we'll comment back to you down there, and then we'll go further, maybe like whatever. It's shining in the sun, dude. Our trainee's ready for hunting season. Hunting Duramaxes. Chevy Orange. But all right, stay tuned. Next video, we're going to be putting the tranny into the Platinum and finally getting the Platinum on the road after what, a long, like 6 months, 5 months, 5-6 months or whatever. We took our sweet time with that, but it is finally done, and we'll get to it.
We're going to get you a better facial expression, a little more happy.